My name is Jerry Vandersanen, and I'm currently enrolled in the Alliant Energy Community Solar Program. In our neighborhood, solar panels are becoming more and more commonplace, and my wife and I began to look into it and do our research. Well, the Alliant Energy Community Solar Program offered us a simple and a practical way to use solar energy. It takes away all the complications of placing solar on your property. You don't have to worry about maintenance. You don't have to worry about what happens at the end of the life of the solar panels when they need to be removed and perhaps recycled. When the solar panels are off-site, you're getting the benefit of the program and the solar energy, and you've got a big company like Alliant Energy that is really doing all the heavy lifting. And I like the idea that we're doing our little part to help us become energy independent.